If you're looking to buy a home next month, next year, or even a few years down the road, this video is for you. We'll be going over how you can start your home buying process today and some tips for you to set yourself up for success down the road. I'll also be leaving my home buyer guide down in the description below because you know what they say. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. So get your game plan started today. Step 1, and that's finding a real estate professional. And by real estate professional, I mean someone who knows the ins and outs of purchasing a home so they can answer all of your questions that you have and also be a guide every step of the way. Because the home buying process has a lot of nuances to it and it can get complicated really fast. Also, if you're hiring a real estate professional to purchase a home, it's free of charge and no cost to you. So really, there's no reason not to use a real estate agent. However, I feel like not every realtor is right for every home buyer. Just like a boyfriend and girlfriend, a relationship needs to click. You guys need to communicate right and be on the same page. And sometimes that doesn't work out. That's why I recommend all my buyers to interview at least a few realtors just to see what else is out there. After you find a real estate professional such as myself, the next step is to find a lender. Yes, the second step is to find the second half of your home buying team. Finding a lender is so important for many reasons. First is to help you get your financials in the mix and also to get your pre-approval letter. You want to get your pre-approval letter or your pre-qualification to see how much you can actually afford. The situation you don't want to be in is for us to find a $1 million property, for example, that you fall in love with. You love the open waterfall island, you like the pool in the backyard, the expansive lot. Then you come to find out that you could only afford up to $800,000. I've been there and done that, and from what I heard from my clients, it's not the best feeling. However, if you are a few years out or even a few months out and you feel like it's not the time to get a pre-approval, I still highly recommend that you talk to a lender so you can see what you qualify for now, and he or she can give you recommendations on what you need to fix or improve to get a higher pre-approval, such as a credit, increase your DTI, pay off some loans, and so on. That way you'll have enough time to actually fix those problems and increase your purchasing power. After that, the next step is to have a consultation with your real estate agent. Once you have your pre-approval letter and you know how much you can afford, it'll be that much easier for us to sit down and talk about your wants and needs and how we can help you accomplish your real estate goals. We'll plan a time, whether it be on Zoom or in person, and go over the entire home buying process and also answer any outstanding questions before we start seeing homes and start writing offers. So those are the first 3 things you need to do to buy a home here in the Los Angeles suburbs and anywhere in California. If you want some advice on home buying or are ready to make that leap towards home ownership, me and my team would love the opportunity to make your dreams a reality. Again, my name is Calvin. I'm here with Keller Williams Realty in Arcadia. Feel free to call, text, or even slide in my DMs. I'm an open book, and I will see you guys on the next one.